Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I will show you how I'm spinning my sheep wool. You can see behind I did already a lot, but this time I want to spin the Anna wool. So it looks like this now. And the name is because my sheep called Anna, and yeah, I was just thinking it's so soft and very nice to say, okay, this will be my Anna wool and hopefully I can make of it Anna socks. Okay, let's start it. I have a spinning wheel, it's a Bliss from Woolmaker, and I bought it 2019, so a year ago. I'm not a professional spinner, so I don't know anything about spinning. Everything I can show you is what I learned last year. So if I make any mistakes, so sorry for this. I just try to spin a little bit that I can make my own socks. So in my last videos, I talked about how I washed my wool and how I cardining the wool. So if you haven't seen it, now you can see it right here. Watch it first and then you can see this video. Please subscribe. Don't miss the next video where I will talk about how I'm knitting my wool. So first you have to turn your wheel clockwise. You have to do it twice that you get 2 bubbles. And after this you have to do it against the clockwise so that you can make it, I don't know really the word. No, that is the other side, so that you have a double yarn. So this is how I'm spinning. I guess it's the easiest way. There are a lot of other methods how you can spin your yarn, but I'm thinking I'm doing it twice and then the other way for one yarn that's double. So here's a single and here's a single, and I'm just doing it together. So that means against the clock, like this way. And then you can see here's already the yarn that I spit. So after I'm done with spinning, everything is going on here. So this is an actual box I get with the spinning wheel. So I haven't anything else. So I was thinking this is just fine. So what I'm doing is from the spinning wheel, I'm just putting it on top of here. Most of the time I'm leaving it for 1 or 2 days that it can a little bit relax already here, and after this it has to go into the bath for now a few hours. For a few hours so that the wool can relax in a warm bath. You don't have to do anything really with it. I'm just putting water inside, no soap this time, and then it can dry, and after the drying it is ready for knitting. But you will see the knitting in the next video. So please subscribe, just hit the like button, maybe write down in the comments what you like to knit, and if you want to try sheep wool as well. And the only thing I can say, I have milk sheep, so this is very soft wool. It's very nice on the skin, so I really like it. I wish everyone a very nice day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.